Morning, Kabuho! My name is Manilyn Tidoliantes, a grade 12 student taking the hairdressing track in senior high school. I am happy and excited to be part of this course when I can express my creativity and learn practical skills that I can use in a real life. My expectations in the hairdressing track are very high because I believe this course will not only teach me the basic skills of hair cutting, hairstyling, and hair rebonding, but will also help me gain confidence and creativity. I'm excited to learn about the different tools, techniques, and the customer service skills that are important in this field. I expect this track to prepare me for a possible career in the beauty industry and even open opportunities for starting my own salon business someday. Senior high school is very important because it serves as our training in ground before college or work. It helps us discover our interests and develop the necessary skills for our chosen career path. For us, students and youth today, senior high school teaches us to be responsible, independent, and future-ready, especially in a track like hairdressing. We are given real-world skills that we can apply even after graduate. Education is our key to a better future, and senior high school is one of the important steps in this journey. Thank you! Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. I hope you learned something from my sharing. Go Kabuho!